wonderful learners. Welcome back to English Connect, the podcast where learning English feels like chatting with friends. I am your host, Sophia.
Hey everyone, I'm Jason, and today we're taking you to one of the most common places where people practice English.
That's right. Today we're talking about coffee shop conversations.
Coffee shops are perfect for English practice because they're relaxed, casual, and you hear so many different conversations happening around you.
Exactly. And the conversations in coffee shops are usually friendly and low pressure, which makes them perfect for learners.
So today, Sophia and I are going to have a natural conversation as if we just met at a coffee shop.
This is going to be so helpful because you'll hear real phrases people use when they're ordering drinks, making small talk, and getting to know someone new.
And remember, these aren't formal business conversations. These are friendly, casual chats that happen every single day.
Before we start, if you're new to English Connect, welcome. Please subscribe so you can join us every week.
Yes, and if you love this episode, share it with your study group or your language exchange partner.
All right, Jason, should we grab a coffee?
I'd love to. Let's go.
Oh, this coffee shop is so nice. Look at all these comfortable chairs.
I know. I love this place. The atmosphere is so cozy.
It is. And it smells amazing in here. All that fresh coffee.
So, what are you going to order?
I'm thinking maybe a cappuccino. What about you?
I always get the same thing. An Americano with a little bit of milk.
Really? Every time?
Every time. I'm a creature of habit.
That's funny. I like to try different things. Sometimes a latte, sometimes a cappuccino, sometimes something with caramel.
Adventurous. I like it.
Excuse me, can we order, please?
Okay, drinks are ordered. So, Sophia, I'm curious, do you come to coffee shops often?
I do. Maybe 2 or 3 times a week. I love working here.
Oh, you work in coffee shops.
Yes. I bring my laptop and I can focus better here than at home.
Really? Interesting. I'm the opposite.
You are?
Yes! I can't work in coffee shops. Too many distractions.
Like what?
Well, people talking, music playing, the coffee machine making noise. I can't concentrate.
Oh, I understand. But for me, that background noise actually helps me focus.
That's so interesting. Different people work in different ways.
Exactly. What about you? Where do you like to work?
I prefer the library. It's quiet, peaceful, and everyone is focused.
The library, yes. That makes sense for you.
But I do love coffee shops for meeting friends.
Oh, me too. Actually, I'm meeting my friend Emma here tomorrow.
Oh yeah? Which friend?
My friend Emma. We went to university together.
That's nice. Do you two meet here regularly?
Yes, we try to meet once a month, just to catch up.
I love that. It's so important to stay connected with friends.
It really is. Life gets so busy, and sometimes coffee dates are the only time we can really talk.
I totally agree. So what do you and Emma usually talk about?
Oh, everything. Work, relationships, travel plans, funny things that happened.
The best conversations are the ones that go everywhere.
Yes, we can talk for hours and hours.
Oh, our drinks are ready.
Perfect timing. Let me get them. Here you go. 1 Americano with a little milk.
Thank you. And here's your cappuccino.
Thanks. Oh, this looks perfect. Should we sit by the window?
Great idea. I love watching people walk by.
This is perfect. Comfortable chair, good coffee, nice view.
I agree. Oh, your Americano looks really dark.
I like strong coffee. It wakes me up.
Are you tired today?
A little bit, yes. I stayed up late last night.
Oh no. What were you doing?
I was watching a documentary series on Netflix. I couldn't stop watching.
Those are dangerous. You always say, just one more episode, and then suddenly it's midnight.
Exactly what happened. I watched 4 episodes.
4? What was the documentary about?
It was about space exploration. Absolutely fascinating.
Oh, I love space documentaries. Which one was it?
It's called Journey to Mars. Have you heard of it?
No, I haven't. Is it new?
Yes, it came out last month. It's about the plans to send humans to Mars.
That sounds incredible. I should watch it.
You really should. The graphics are amazing, and the scientists they interview are so passionate.
I love when you can feel the person's excitement through the screen.
Me too. So what about you? What do you watch these days?
Lately, I've been watching cooking shows.
Cooking shows. Do you like to cook?
I do. I'm not a great cook, but I'm trying to get better.
That's awesome. What kind of recipes are you trying?
Mostly simple things, pasta dishes, stir fries, salads, nothing too complicated.
Those are good places to start. Do you follow the recipes exactly?
I try to, but sometimes I don't have all the ingredients, so I have to improvise.
That's the fun part, creating your own version.
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
That's cooking. Trial and error.
Exactly. Last week I tried to make Thai curry.
Oh, how did it turn out?
It was okay, not as good as a restaurant, but edible.
That's still a success, and I bet next time it'll be even better.
I hope so. Do you cook?
Not really. I'm terrible at cooking.
Really?
Yes, I can make breakfast, eggs, toast, simple things, but dinner, I usually order food or eat something very basic. Here you go, 1 Americano with a little milk.
Thank you. And here's your cappuccino.
Thanks. Oh, this looks perfect. Should we sit by the window?
Great idea. I love watching people walk by.
This is perfect. Comfortable chair, good coffee, nice view.
I agree. Oh, your Americano looks really dark.
I like strong coffee. It wakes me up.
Are you tired today?
A little bit, yes. I stayed up late last night.
Oh, no. What were you doing?
I was watching a documentary series on Netflix. I couldn't stop watching.
Those are dangerous. You always say, just one more episode, and then suddenly it's midnight.
Exactly what happened. I watched 4 episodes.
4? What was the documentary about?
It was about space exploration. Absolutely fascinating.
Oh, I love space documentaries. Which one was it?
It's called Journey to Mars. Have you heard of it?
No, I haven't. Is it new?
Yes, it came out last month. It's about the plans to send humans to Mars.
That sounds incredible. I should watch it.
You really should. The graphics are amazing, and the scientists they interview are so passionate.
I love when you can feel the person's excitement through the screen.
Me too. So what about you? What do you watch these days?
Lately, I've been watching cooking shows.
Cooking shows. Do you like to cook?
I do. I'm not a great cook, but I'm trying to get better.
That's awesome. What kind of recipes are you trying?
Mostly simple things, pasta dishes, stir fries, salads, nothing too complicated.
Those are good places to start. Do you follow the recipes exactly?
I try to, but sometimes I don't have all the ingredients, so I have to improvise.
That's the fun part, creating your own version.
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
That's cooking. Trial and error.
Exactly. Last week I tried to make Thai curry.
Oh, how did it turn out?
It was okay, not as good as a restaurant, but edible.
That's still a success, and I bet next time it'll be even better.
I hope so. Do you cook?
Not really. I'm terrible at cooking.
Really?
Yes, I can make breakfast, eggs, toast, simple things, but dinner, I usually order food or eat something very basic. Like what?
Sandwiches, salads from the supermarket, frozen pizza.
Oh, Jason, you need to learn to cook. It's healthier and cheaper.
I know, you're right. Maybe you can teach me someday.
I'd be happy to. We can start with something really simple.
Like what?
Maybe spaghetti with tomato sauce? It's almost impossible to mess up.
Almost impossible is still possible for me.
Oh, come on. You're not that bad.
You haven't seen me in the kitchen.
Well, I'm offering to help. We could cook together.
That would be fun. A cooking lesson from Sophia.
I'm not a professional, but I can show you the basics.
I appreciate it. Hey, this coffee is really good.
It is. And the foam on this cappuccino is perfect.
Do you ever order food here?
Sometimes. They have really good muffins.
Muffins. I love muffins. What flavors do they have?
Blueberry, chocolate chip, banana nut, all the classics.
Maybe I should get one.
You should. The blueberry ones are my favorite.
I think I will. Do you want anything?
No, thank you. I'm good with just coffee.
Okay, I'll be right back. Got it. Look at this huge muffin.
Wow, that is big.
I know. These American portions.
Do you want to share it?
Sure. Here, have half.
Thanks. Oh, this smells delicious.
It tastes even better than it smells.
You're right. So moist and fluffy.
The blueberries are perfect.
See? I told you they're good here.
You did. Good recommendation.
So, Jason, do you have any plans for the rest of the day?
Not really. After this, I might go to the bookstore down the street.
The big one on Main Street?
Yes, that one. I love browsing there.
Me too. I could spend hours in that bookstore.
Right? So many books, so little time.
What kind of books do you like?
I like science fiction, historical fiction, and biographies.
That's a good mix. I mostly read mysteries and contemporary fiction.
Oh, you like mysteries. Me too, actually.
Really? What's the last mystery you read?
It was The Silent Patient. Have you read it?
Yes, I loved that book. The ending was so surprising.
I know. I never saw it coming.
That's what makes a good mystery.
Exactly. Do you have any recommendations for me?
Have you read anything by Agatha Christie?
A long time ago, yes. But I should read more.
You should. She's the queen of mystery.
Which one should I start with?
And Then There Were None is amazing.
I'll look for it at the bookstore today.
Perfect. Let me know what you think.
I will. Hey, Sophia, I just realized we've been here for almost an hour.
Already? Time flies when you're having a good conversation.
It really does. This was really nice.
It was. We should do this more often.
Definitely. Same time next week?
I'd love that. Maybe we can try a different coffee shop.
Great idea. There's a new place that opened near the park.
Perfect. Let's meet there.
It's a date. Well, not a date, but you know what I mean.
I know what you mean. A coffee date.
Exactly.
All right, everyone. Let's review some useful phrases from our coffee shop conversation.
These are phrases you'll hear all the time in casual settings.
First one, I'm a creature of habit. This means you like doing the same things regularly. You like routines.
Yes, like me, always ordering the same coffee. It's not boring, it's comfortable.
Next phrase, that makes sense. This is a great way to show you understand what someone is saying.
We use this phrase so much in English, it keeps the conversation flowing naturally.
Exactly. Another good one, catch up. When you catch up with someone, you spend time talking about what's been happening in your lives.
Like when Sophia meets her friend Emma once a month to catch up, they're updating each other.
Right. And don't forget, I'd love to, but this is polite when you want to decline, but also show interest.
Yes. Or in our case, I'd love to when you're accepting an invitation.
These phrases make you sound friendly and natural.
What a fun conversation, Jason.
I really enjoyed it. Coffee shop conversations are the best.
They really are. So relaxed and friendly.
Now, everyone listening, here's your challenge.
We want you to write in the comments, what's your favorite place to have conversations in English?
Is it a coffee shop? A park? A library? At school? Tell us.
And also, what do you usually order when you go to a coffee shop?
Are you an Americano person like me, or do you like to try different drinks like Sophia?
We love reading your comments. And it helps you practice writing in English too.
So true. And if this episode helped you feel more confident about coffee shop conversations, please subscribe.
Yes, subscribe to English Connect so you don't miss our next episode.
And share this with your English learning friends. They'll thank you.
Thank you all so much for listening today.
Remember, every conversation is practice. Don't be afraid to talk to people.
Coffee shops are perfect for meeting people and practicing English.
Until next time, everyone.
Keep practicing and stay curious.
Bye, everyone. Happy learning.